Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Siddha Suburbia Bungalows, and you can see this is the model bungalow of our project. So let me show you a 4 BHK model bungalow. So you can see this is the personal lobby space or lawn space, and this side you will be having your car parking space over here. So now come inside. So on entry you can see this is a grand living cum dining area. The size of this living cum dining is 40 feet long by 12 feet. It's a grand living cum dining, and this side, this is the staircase to go towards the first floor and second floor. So this is the hall, and just adjacent to the hall, this is the kitchen space. It's a parallel platform given, and with this kitchen space you will be also having this storeroom. This is a storeroom space, and this is the dry balcony area or utility space. And now come this side. So the entire area is living cum dining hall. So you can separate this living cum dining hall and make this into a bedroom if you want. And with this bedroom you will be having a big window like this one, and this is a attached balcony space, and this is the actual land area where our project is constructing. And now come this side again. So you can clearly make a bedroom over here, and this side, this is the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom space. The size of this bedroom is approximately 11 feet by 11 feet, almost a square shaped bedroom. And this is the attached toilet area with separate space for bath. And again see, this is the bedroom. And now we are moving towards the first floor level, and see again, this is the grand living cum dining hall. So moving forward, we are going towards the first floor. Here a cross ventilation window have been given. So this is the first floor level. As you can see on entry, this is the living area. So it's a beautiful living area with a big size window, and this is the staircase area from this side, and this is upper staircase also to go to the roof. And now this is the hall, and with this hall, this side you will be having second bedroom. So come inside the second bedroom. The size of the second bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 11 feet with a beautiful balcony outside. So it's a beautiful balcony, and outside you can see this is our existing project of Siddha Suburbia phase 1. So now come this side. So now see, this is the hall again, and with this hall adjacent to this, this is the toilet space, and see the space of the toilets. It's a huge toilet space. You can have a bathtub over here or jacuzzi, whatever you want. The size of this toilet is approximately, it's L pattern. Approximate size of this toilet is 12 feet by 8 feet. And now come this side. So we are moving forward towards the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom, and the size of this third bedroom is approximately 16 feet by 11 feet. It's a rectangle shaped third bedroom with a very big size wardrobe space and a beautiful window. Now see, this is the fourth bedroom, and the space of this fourth bedroom is 11 feet by 11 feet, a square size bedroom with a wardrobe space like this one. And this portion you will have toilet space. So this is the toilet space. So now moving forward, we are going upstairs again towards the second floor or rooftop. So let me show you the rooftop. So this is the rooftop. It's a private terrace or private rooftop with this row bungalow. And not only that, with this roof you will be having another toilet here with this roof. The size of this toilet is approximately 7 feet by 6 feet, and this is the partition boundary. This is another bungalow space. So this is row bungalow. This partition wall is common to everyone, and this is the total space. From here you can see the gap between two bungalows. So this is the gap between two bungalows. This is internal roads, and this is the lawn space, as you can see outside this bungalow. And now see this side. So this is the front side, and see, this is the total site, located excellently. This side is NSC road which connects towards Baruipur from Toliganj, and this side, this is the EM bypass which connects from airport to Baruipur. So it's an excellent location. As per the location is concerned, the location is going to be a prime destination within 3 to 4 years of time, and right now connectivity is excellent. And you can also see the back area. These all portions will be bungalows. So all bungalows are under construction currently, as you can see. So hope you like this video. So if you are interested, then please call us as early as possible. We are giving some excellent bank schemes and discounts for very limited period. So we are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.